thing is? Do you have the driver and the dog in there?
Yeah.
What's the dog's name?
Silo.
Silo?
Yeah.
Cool, it looks like your dog Silo.
Yeah.
What's the person's name, the fireman's name?
See? This is a person.
Just a person? No name? Okay, so, where's your white ladder? Where'd that go? Oh, it's right there. It's right there. We found it. Yay! You're gonna put that on there?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do they crawl up the ladder? Can you show me how?
Okay. Which one?
Which one do you want to do? I think you should do the dog. Can we do the dog?
Sure.
Thanks.
Then you do the person.
Okay, okay. All right. So show me how to do it. Oh, wow. They really hang on to that ladder. Okay, so I come over here.
Yeah.
Whee! Yay! I did it. All right. Ah! Are you spraying me? Am I a building on fire?
Yes.
I am?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you put me out? Did you put the fire out?
So done.
Awesome. Good job, buddy. Cool.
Oh.
There you go. So now we go back on the driver's seat?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Oh, my ladder broke again.
Jeez, that ladder's silly, huh?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. Now what? What are you going to get?
I was getting one of these toys.
Look at all these toys. You have so many toys. What are you getting?
This.
Yeah, the horse mask. What? Here,